Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix iQIYI app login problem. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. From here, go ahead and tap on search at the bottom right. Now search for iQIYI app. Now tap on the application. From here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that the app is updated to its latest version. Once you update the app, all the issues and bugs will be fixed. Now, another step in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. Now from here, you could directly search for iQIYI app. Now from here, scroll down below and tap on storage. Now at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of clear cache. If you tap on it, you will be able to fix all the issues and even login problem of the application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.